Hi students, how are you all? I am your social science teacher. I teach history geography. I am Miss Loganayagi. You all remember me? Yes. Last year I was your class teacher. This year I am going to be your social science teacher. I'll teach history and geography. By the way, how are you all? Staying at home, listening videos, doing assignments? Well done. Very good. Okay, we'll continue to learn this year history, geography, isn't it? Yes. Okay. For the first lesson, we'll learn in history Harappan civilization. Okay. This is a lesson you learnt in 6th standard. Again, you are going to learn one more time elaborately. Okay. The lesson name is Harappan civilization. Okay. Before that, you should know where is this Harappan civilization were there in the past. Okay, this is Harappa, this is Mohenjo-daro. These are the two places we are going to learn. It's in part of Pakistan, in part of India. These are the some sites, some of the cities. The dot of red, this square of red is the main center, that is Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Okay, we are going to make this map, okay, like this in your India map. This way you are going to make one map. This is your assignment. You have to make this map. Okay, this is the 5 rivers and this is the Indus river, and here only Harappa you find, Harappa, and here Mohenjo-daro. Okay, it's part of Pakistan, it's part of India. Can you see this? Yes, like this you can do this a map of Harappan civilization. This all yellow part is Harappan civilization. Okay, can you see this map? Yes, this may be in your book. Okay, no need to draw all cities or sites. Okay, just you do this Pakistan, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, India, the important one. Okay, yes. Okay. The first and the best example of Indus Valley civilization found at Harappa. This civilization sometimes called the Harappan civilization because we found many of the sites in Harappan civilization. Okay, that's why we are calling this Harappan civilization. The one more name was Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization we call Harappan civilization. In 6th standard you learnt as Indus Valley civilization because it's nearby Indus river. Can you see Indus river? Yes. Because of that we call in Indus Valley civilization. In basically we call Indus Valley civilization. All civilization started near with rivers. That's why we call Indus Valley civilization. River Indus Valley. But why now in 9th standard we are putting the name Harappan civilization? Because we are going to learn as depth. Many of the things we are found from the Harappa. This is the place main site Harappa. From this place we found many things. That's why we are calling this Harappan civilization. Same name, Indus Valley civilization and Harappan civilization same only. But the name why we are changing and calling that, because many of the excavation found, maybe the archaeologists found many of the things from Harappan civilization. Okay, that's why we are calling this Harappan civilization. You understood that? Yes. Now we come to know the Harappan civilization. The ruins of the city were discovered at the distance of 160 kilometers from Lahore on the Ravi river. Okay, it was probably the capital of the northern region. It was well planned city like Mohenjo-daro. It was bigger in area, and Mohenjo-daro, it was first city of Indus Valley to be excavated in 1921. That's why we are calling this the Harappan civilization. Okay, you understand? This is the place only they found first in 1921. Okay, by the way, the year was the Harappan civilization. People were lived in the BC 3000 year BC. From there to 1500 BC. Okay, that is before Christ. We call BC or before Common Era. Okay, BC 3000 BC. From there to 1500 BC you have to decrease. Okay, now we are increasing. 2019, 2020, 2021, like that we are increasing and going. When those days before Jesus Christ born, the years were decreasing. Okay, so 3000 BC to 2500 or 700 they are telling approximately, but the period 3250 BC to 2750 BC. Okay, so we can tell 3000 to 1500, but accurately they are telling this 3250 BC to 2750 BC. BC means before Jesus Christ's birth or before Common Era. Nowadays we are calling this. Okay, this is the period of the Harappan people lived there. Okay, that time they lived, but they excavated in 1921. 1921 they excavated. Okay, the excavation means digging the place and taking the ruins, the destroyed one, broken one from there. This is the place. Okay, now we understand little bit of our Harappan civilization. Suddenly why we are calling Harappan civilization, we are not calling Indus Valley civilization. You understood that? Yes, because many of the places around the Harappa, so that's why we are calling that Harappan civilization. Many of the excavation done in nearby Harappa. Okay, same we can use this word also. Indus Valley civilization and Harappan civilization both are same civilization. Okay, in the year 1921 they started to excavate. Okay, but people lived there 3000 BC. From 3000 BC to 1500 BC or 2750. Accurately if we say this is the year 3250 BC to 2750 BC. Okay, you understand that much? Yes, now we learn about the town planning. This is the thing you are going to learn. Okay, the Great Bath, Citadel, Seals, Beard Man, Dancing Girl, Dockyard, Script and urban planning. These are the things we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay.